how to speed up a video in Canva. So if this video help you, click that subscribe button and also consider clicking on that bell icon so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So as you can see, I have a video here in my Canva, but in Canva we cannot speed up the video. So there is a way in how to speed up this video that you have created in Canva. So what you would do first is go here on the share button and click on download. So just make sure that the file is in the MP4 format, so it is a video. Just click on download. So let's say you have downloaded this video already, and after that go to the change video speed website so you can change this video speed, and let us upload the file here in the website. So here it is. So wait for the video to load. So right now you can see the video because it is still loading, but you can change the speed of the video through this bar here, or just slide it. If you want to make it faster, go to slide it on the right. If you want to make it slower, go to slide it on the left. So if you are satisfied with the speed, click on save. So this will take a while or some time to process. So just after the loading of the process, just click on download. So that's how to change your speed of the video in Canva. Thank you for watching.